In this problem, I figured out how many yoga classes Jason could take with his $250 savings. I took the information from the problem first and created a data table. I used X as the number of classes that Jason took and Y as the cost. I was then able to take my information from the data table and create a graph. I noticed that my data points made a straight line. I also noticed that the graph didn't cross the y-axis on the negative side. This is because Jason can't take less than 0 classes. Last, I took the information from the data table and I plugged it into the formulas that we know. I first plugged 2 points into the slope formula and figured out that my slope was 50. Next, I took all of my information and plugged it into the equation for a line. Y equals 50x plus 25, where 25 is the starting cost at the y-intercept and 50 is the increase in cost per class.